There we go. It's not too bad. Too close. At least in that direction. Yeah, I might need to move to the other. I didn't see if the football field was being used. It's kind of tight and I can't do that much stuff. And there's a lot of kids. So, and as I was setting up or walking toward the bench, like there was like 3 families with their kids just walking toward, and the kids were running toward the playground, so I was like, ah, dang it, just turned around and just walked away. At least there was this direction, so I wouldn't have to bother them. Just, that's what the playgrounds are for. Not for me. Which is fine. But I can't cross it though, so I keep turning the quad to that side so I don't see any kids running toward me or the basketball court, even though I'm not on top of it, but don't want to put anybody in danger. Beep beep. Tried the other day line of sight because it was the last bit of the battery. Never done it before. It was better than I expected. I thought it was gonna be like kind of weird and like doing these kind of rolls without moving the quad, just on its place. Oh, that's why it's beeping, because I moved it to 3. That's why. That makes sense. So yeah, I was doing the just standing still and just doing like side rolls. It was pretty easy actually. And it's not 4 minutes, but 3.5 maybe. See, the batteries are not where they should be though. I'm not sure what's up. Or they're just giving up, I guess.